What's up, everyone? I go by the name of Solo. Welcome to Solo Driven. Now today, before we get started, I need to go get a root canal. Alright, so I'm all done with that. Jaw is swollen, I can barely talk. We're gonna wait till the anesthesia wears off and then continue with the video. Damn. Now we're back. Took a lot longer than I anticipated, but now we're gonna make a quick trip to the store to get some supplies. Now, before I discuss what's in this box, I am doing an engine bay cosmetic upgrade, meaning I will not be gaining any type of horsepower from this mod. So here it is, a Canton coolant tank. Now, like I said, this is not going to give me any type of horsepower increase. It's just only for cosmetic. The only plus side about this is that it is made out of an aluminum. It is welded, and this will not deteriorate over the years like the stock plastic coolant tank. Trying to put this down as gently as possible. Don't want to scratch it.
Perfect.
So here we have the completely bone stock coolant tank. Now this is made out of plastic and it doesn't deteriorate very easily. It does take some time and a lot of beating in order for it to start falling apart. But imagine how much better this thing will look on there. I can't wait to mount this thing on. But first, let's wrap it in gold. Actually, on second thought, first let's relocate, because I am sweating up a storm in here. There's no ventilation, no fans, so let's do that. Alright, much better. Now that we're in a cooler working area, I got all my supplies out here. First thing I'm gonna do is wipe down the base of this. I've been touching it. I got my fingerprints and oils all over this thing. I'm gonna wipe it down with some alcohol. Make sure that the tape sticks on there as best it can. Now, I already did a measurement going from here all the way to about right there. This goes all the way down until we hit this little bracket here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this piece and just duplicate it using the same measurement, cutting it until we get to there to make the job a little easier and faster. Now I'm just kind of tugging on the top here and sliding it down, sliding side to side as I tug to make sure that I get a nice tight wrap and that we don't get any type of ugly bubbling or anything like that. And it's coming out pretty nice so far. So this is what I'm going for. I'm gonna try and do my best to get this type of smoothness throughout the whole thing. didn't order enough tape. I'm gonna have to put in a new order for some more tape to get shipped overnight, and I guess to be continued. Oh. Let's proceed, shall we? Perfect. Alright, here she is in her final form, the finished product, and damn, that looks good. Now I want to share a couple ideas that I had while wrapping this, and one of them was I wanted to have the exposed welds all around the coolant tank here. Another idea that I had was leaving the engraved Canton logo exposed. I did the best that I could with this rectangle here, but look, it does not need to be perfect. The whole purpose is to block heat with this gold tape. In fact, we're going to perform a little test right now because I did see it on Tavares's channel, but I want to test it out for myself. So we're going to get a lighter and really apply this fire and heat. And I'm going to touch it right after. I'm going to leave the camera rolling just so y'all think, and just so y'all know that I am not letting this thing cool down. We're going to leave it on for a little minute. I am on there. Alright, here goes nothing. That is crazy. Cool to the touch. Like, it's not even warm or nothing. I'm going to try that again. I'm going to leave it in one spot too. Put it down, immediately touch it. Not even warm. That is crazy. So now we know that this gold tape is the truth. It does work, and I can't wait to install it and get it mounted ASAP. Alright guys, so we went ahead and wrapped the coolant tank in gold. We know that it works and that it is in fact functional. It does have a purpose and it does serve that purpose. I shared a couple ideas that I had, which was leaving the welds exposed and the Canton logo exposed. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Like, share, and if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next episode.